Hello everyone, today I will show you how to align or fix text boxes top and bottom alignment in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file and click on this edit option and select here this edit box text, or also you can select all. Simply select text. Now click on this text box and press Ctrl key for your keyboard and hold it and select another one. Now press right button for your mouse, and here you will find the alignment, and this is align top, and this is top alignment. Now fix. Again click right button for your mouse cursor and select alignment, and this is bottom alignment, and see this. Also I'll align this text box. Click on this and again click Ctrl key for your keyboard and hold it and select another one, and see these two text boxes now select, and this right side one and this bottom. Here you will find this align option, and this is align bottom, and this is align top. In this way you can fix top and bottom alignment on your PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.